So make your magic circle. And make 8 single crochets on our magic ring. Then slip stitch to join. Chain 1. Our chain 1 will not count as a stitch, and this round will be an increase round, so making 2 single crochets in every chain. So now I am done with my second round. We're going to slip stitch, and moving up we're going to make a chain of 1, and now we're going to do an alternate increase, making 1 single crochet on the first chain and 2 on the next one, so an alternate increase. Ending our round in a slip stitch, and then we're going to start our round with a chain of 1. For this round we're going to make 1 single crochet in the first 2 chains, and then an increase. Ending our round in a slip stitch, and then we're going to start our round with a chain of 1. For this round we're going to make 1 single crochet in the first 2 chains, and then an increase. So we have an increase, so again 2 single crochets on the next 2 and an increase. I don't know if you are hearing, but I can hear a weird sound every time I insert and pull out my crochet hook. If you are experiencing the same thing, or if you are hearing the same thing, please let me know on the comments down below. It's weird, you know. I don't know. So 1, and then 2. So again 1, and 2. So finish the round and I'll meet you later. Chain 2 to move up, and this will count as our first half double crochet on the next chain, but we're going to insert our hook on the back loop only. So 1 half double, so make your 1 half double crochet around using the back loop only, And remember, our chain 2 will count as a stitch, so we're going to make our slip stitch on top of the second chain. So I have made my slip stitch on the second chain, the first chain 2 that we made. So our first row moving up is done. So continue doing your half double crochet, but this time we're going to make use of both loops. So chain 2, and 1 half double crochet in every stitch. So I'll just continue doing my half double crochet, and I will meet you later when I'm about to finish my basket. Happy with the height of my basket, and I made 9 rounds, and now I am on the top. So for our next round, I'm going to make a chain. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. And I'm going to slip stitch on the same where we started. So I made a chain of 1. That one, our chain 1 will not count as a stitch. So I have double crochet around using the front loop only. So this is our front loop. So this will fall on the side, and this will be our string, and I'll meet you later before we end the round. So we are on our last stitch, so 1 half double crochet on that front loop only, and we're going to make our slip stitch to close our round. So our basket would look like this. You can make another round after the half double crochet of the same color, but for me, I'll be changing the color into our neon yellow. So I will just be using another color. For this round, I'll be making 1 single crochet in every stitch. So continue your single crochet stitch and slip stitch to close. I made my slip stitch and now I'm ready to cut my yarn. And this one I just made a simple knot, just a regular knot, and then I will just weave my ends and we're done with our basket. And now we're done with our basket. And we're going to use this one to hang our basket. This is a very simple one, just a half double crochet, and you can make use of your scrap yarn as well. So again, thank you so much for joining me today. Happy crocheting everyone, and God bless.